Sam. I hope your 2020 is shape-ing. Get it? Because he's known as the shape. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. How's it going? If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Sam. Here I make Halloween content all year round, totally Halloween obsessed. This is just me trying to live my best Halloween happy life. If you want to join in and stick around, go ahead and click that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm catching up on mail today, a much needed mail catching up time. So all of this mail is definitely from a few months ago. I've explained in other videos just kind of like why I've held off and all of that stuff. So I thought I would use today to kind of catch up. There's probably going to be a few mail videos coming at you. Bear with me if mail videos are not your thing. They really should be, because you can find new Halloween stuff that you may have not seen, maybe find new Halloween happy friends. You don't ever have to send me something. I have a P.O. box here in Salem. That's just if you ever want to send a Halloween hello. It can be a letter. It doesn't ever have to be like a gift, you know? So don't feel obligated. Just you being here means so much to me. So this is from Miami, Florida. I don't see a name on here just yet. We have a card. Aw, I've missed these videos. Hi Sam, I found your videos after a back injury and wasn't able to move around much. Halloween is also my favorite holiday, and your videos brought me some joy while I wasn't feeling well. I wanted to say thank you and send you some joy your way, Erin. Erin! Ooh, I'm so sorry. I'm just now opening this. I'm so sorry to everyone who sent something, and I'm so glad that my videos brought you joy. That means so much. Like, if I could just make anyone's day a little bit brighter, a little bit more cheerful, a little bit more spooky, that means so much to me. I hope that you have since recovered from your back injury, that you are since feeling better, and if you're by chance watching this video, let me know how you're doing. Thank you for going through the trouble of sending this. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Is this a scarf? Tapestry. I love this so much. It's this beautiful, I'm gonna call it a tapestry. You can also wear it as a, I was gonna say a skirt. You can also wear it as a scarf. Erin, thank you so much. That's a really good treasure. One more thing. Erin didn't list any social media, but I'll put it in my description, so if you see it, Erin, if you see this video, comment below. Oh, this is beautiful. Erin, thank you so much. This will definitely make a perfect addition on my Halloween tree over there in the corner. Oh, this is beautiful, and it's kind of like that see-through glass. Thank you so much for sending this my way. Again, I hope you're doing well. I hope your back is feeling so much better. It just means so much to me. I hope you know that, and I hope you're doing well. Next package comes from my friend Shawn. I opened it a little bit just to get a sneak peek, because Shawn's always so sweet with his gifts, and he always makes the best little doodles on the packages. He sent me a few Creature from the Black Lagoon items that I cherish so much, and I was just posting on Facebook and he had commented, and I was like, I promise I'm gonna open your package soon. This Happy Halloween Things to Make and Do book. Okay, so he said that this was okay to read on air. Said, hi Sam, it was so good to see, this one's from May. It was so good to see a new video from you the other day, and thanks for honestly sharing your feelings with your viewers right now. There is so much anxiety and unknown in the world right now, so know that you aren't alone. Thank you for providing a Halloween smile to us, especially when it is needed the most. I purchased this book off eBay for you. It brought me many hours of enjoyment as a kid. Enjoy and best witches. Your friend Shawn. And look, he did a little Wednesday Addams doodle. I don't think I've seen this one. So this is from Troll Associates. How fun! This is written by Robin Sopraner, illustrated by Renzo Barto, if I pronounced that right. Oh, and just look at everything. Shawn, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. You know that this will get a lot of love being in my book collection, so thank you so much. The package is from another friend named Shawn. Shawn, I'm sorry, I'm just now opening this. So we have a few little goodies. We have some Halloween stickers which I always love stickers. I can do so many things with these, so thank you so much for that. I love when you guys send me some like spooky flair from your haunted parks, your amusement parks from where you live and that you visit. This is Kentucky Kingdom Hallow Scream from last year, like those spooky rides and everything. Oh, I love that so much. Some Halloween stickers, creepy skull, little skull that's a pumpkin. And then we have some Halloween treat bags with some pumpkins and candy corn. I love Halloween.com sticker. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Halloween happy. How cute. Shawn, you did so good on this. Sam, wishing you a happy haunting new year. And a spooktacular Halloween. Keep up the awesome spooky videos. Happy haunting Yard of Terror Kentucky, Shawn. Shawn's channel, it's Yard of Terror Kentucky. Sam, hope all is going well. Loving all your Halloween videos so far this new decade. Your videos bring such I cannot talk. Your videos bring such inspiration and passion into my life lately. 2020 has been pretty tough for me so far, but getting on YouTube and watching your videos helped me get out of my funk. Thank you for what you do. Hope you enjoy this card I made you and enjoy the goodies inside. And Shawn's social media, I'll post it below, is Yard of Terror Kentucky. That's his YouTube and Facebook. And then also he has a Yard Haunt website, which is yardofterrorky.weebly.com. So check it out. Aw, how fun. Spooky clown. Are you guys afraid of clowns? I used to be terrified of them, but I've gotten over my fear. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm so glad that they can get you out of your funk because you guys definitely do that for me. This card comes from Miss Karina, and this is also from January. Keep believing in you. Aw, thanks, cool. Dear Sam, just wanted to let you know that you are awesome and amazing. So happy to see how much you are accomplishing. Can't wait to see what other amazing things you do. I found this and thought you would like it as a good luck charm. Look here. Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh man, Karina! Holy moly. Alright guys, so it is this quarter. My heart. So it is this quarter. If you guys do not know, I lost my dog, Denali, back in November. She was 14 years old and she had cancer, and she was like my first dog. As an adult, so confident, she loved life, she loved people, she loved adventures. She had like all of the qualities that I wanted as a human. I know that's really weird for me to say. I just was so sad losing her, and I named her after Denali Mountain in Alaska because I've always wanted to visit Alaska. I don't know why. It's always been in my brain. Like, I can see me going to Alaska sometime in my life, and I can honestly see me going like in my 40s or my 50s. I know that sounds really weird, but she sent me this quarter. It's a Denali quarter from 2012. I'm definitely gonna like hang on to this. Thank you so much. That just means so much to me, and I definitely really appreciate the thought. That is like the sweetest thing, and I will cherish that coin. Next card comes from Francis. Look at all this little Disney love. Such a cute envelope mailing package. Hi, I hope all is well. I remember in one of your videos you would like stickers from different horror movies. Came across, I hope you like or share. Keep making your amazing videos. Love to watch them. Take care. Love, Francis. Francis? Francis from Wichita, Kansas. That's my hometown. Oh my god. I've been missing home, you guys. So much. Wow, Francis. Oh my gosh. So many horror stickers. I just remember I was going to do this using 2 cameras, so you could see as I'm opening the mail and then also see this camera view. Okay, maybe next time. We have Jason. We have Leatherface. These are so cool. Did you make these? Where did you get these from? We have Jason as Sonic the Hedgehog. That's fun. Michael and Lori. We have another Michael. Friday 13th. Another Michael. Jason. Oh, I love that one. The horror icons. Leatherface. Oh, Michael and Lori. She's literally like, get away from me. Freddy. And Leatherface. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Tell me how it's going in Wichita, Kansas. Let me know. Guys, hopping back to my friend Shawn, who sent me that Halloween activity book. Oh! Woo! Sorry, there's like so much of the envelope packing. So amazing. January 16th. Hi Sam, I hope your 2020 is shape-ing. Get it? Because he's known as the Shape. I love that. To be a great year so far. I was in the thrift store yesterday and found this book for your collection. I hope all is well. Best wishes, Shawn. You spoil me. Thank you so much. So here we have a book. If you guys are new to my channel, I collect Halloween books, mostly young adult and children's Halloween books, and also magazines and stuff. If you're new, you'll kind of see, if you hang around my channel, what I like to collect. But this book is from Lucky Star. This is The Witch at the Window by Ruth Chu. One minute she's there, the next minute she's gone. Marjorie and Nick are sure they see a witch standing on the air conditioner outside the window. Then she disappears into thin air. That's just the beginning of some strange adventures for Marjorie and her brother. They meet a talking bird and then find the witch's book of magic spells. They can't wait to try the spell that will make them invisible. Marjorie and Nick are about to learn that magic can be a very tricky business. So cool! This is perfect. Let's see, what year is this from? Sorry guys, like I just have so much, like allergies. 1984. Shawn, thank you so much. And I love this. I'm gonna have to like frame that or like hang that up with mail art. Package comes from Nicole. To achieve that as possible, we must attempt the impossible. To be as much as we can, we must dream of being more. Gail Baker Stamp. Hey Sam, I hope this finds you well. I've wanted to do some art of you for a while, and I gotta say the shape of your eyes are Gucci. Anyway, thank you for the awesome Insta pics so I could practice my art skills. Is this weird? Sorry if it is. Insta is Squirrel-tastic Queen. YouTube is Squirrel-tastic. I don't think that's weird at all. You guys are so talented, and it's so insane to think that someone would take their time to do art of me or to draw or to illustrate something of me or my pets. Like, I don't think that's weird at all. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. How weird is this that I have like red and orange hair right now and I'm now just opening your mail? When did you send this, Nicole? Oh, March. Wow. This is amazing. I'm gonna have to click it. I'm gonna have to zoom in on this, but Nicole, this is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm gonna frame this. Love that it's orange and yellow and all of these warm autumn tones. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for taking the time to share your talent with me. Please check out Nicole, guys. That's Squirrel-tastic Queen and YouTube Squirrel-tastic. I will be sure to follow you. Maybe we should send Nicole a video on Instagram. Follow that. Hi Nicole, it's Sam. Halloween happy. I'm just now getting around to filming mail videos. Are you joking? This is absolutely beautiful. You're so talented. I love it. All right, so we'll send that to Nicole. How fun. Package comes from another Shawn. This is Shawn, not the first Shawn, but the second Shawn. Shawn is just in a crafty little mood and I love it. This is so cute. It says Halloween Happy 2020 Yard of Terror. I love that. And I love that you put it on the cardboard so it's a little bit more sturdy. I have a Halloween book. My camera stopped, so I'm not sure why I stopped filming. Shawn's social media is Yard of Terror. I'll be sure to link everything below. Little Halloween treat bags. I love these too. Oh my god, these are so cute. Thank you. Halloween treats, simply spooky recipes for ghoulish sweet treats with recipes by Annie Rigg. Thank you so much for sending this my way. Thinking of you. Hello, I hope that your family and friends are all healthy and well. Just wanted to let you know. I hope that you're well during these crazy times and wanted to tell you just how appreciated you really are. You're an inspiring person and your Instagram post helps someone like me feel normal and happy, and you're a true fashion ghoul and spooky decor inspo. I hope to see what you create after this lockdown. Peter and family. The only way to have a friend is to be one. Aww. Peter and family, hi! How are you guys? Oh, no, I love it. Said, sorry, just a silly doodle. Is this me? I love it so much, Peter. Thank you so much. You guys are all just amazing. Just thank you for being here. Thank you so much for the card. I really appreciate that. I am staying well. Just mental health, you know, it's pretty tough right now, but I'm hanging in there. I have a lot of things to be grateful for, so I'm just taking it one day at a time. Just keep trucking along, as my mom used to say. But thank you so much for sending this, and I love the doodle so much. Thank you. Aw, what a beautiful little owl. Aw. Hi Sam, I'm a newer subscriber of your YouTube channel. I love your Instagram page. Your pages make me so happy. Halloween has always been my favorite holiday and some of my happiest childhood memories are from Halloween. With everything going on in the world right now, your pages brighten up my day and make me smile. I visited some places in Salem last October and want to visit again ASAP. I loved it. Here's a sticker with one of my favorite quotes on it. Wish this was a spooky card, but I figure it works. Anyways, thank you for sharing your love of Halloween with us, Christina. And her Instagram is Christina Meow with 2 M's. I will be sure to link that down below, of course. This sticker is from Natural Life Chirp. We love to inspire people to give and live happy. My memory card ran out of space, so I was just saying the sticker, beautiful girl, you can do hard things. Cool, thank you so much. It's always nice to hear the reminder, and you also, beautiful girl, beautiful boys, beautiful men, beautiful women, beautiful people, you all can do hard things, and I know it, and I believe in you, and I'm so proud of you guys all just for showing up for life and showing up for yourself. And then this next card comes from Michael. Aww, how cute. Hi Sam, I just wanted to wish you a happy Halloween, and I hope that you and Raven are doing well. I know it is a month away, but I am just so busy taking care of my brother and my 7 cats, so I'm always busy doing something plus helping out my dad too. Hoping that you and the Halloween happy friends will have a great Halloween. Take care. From your Halloween happy friend. Michael, thank you so much for sending me this and making it. I did have a good Halloween, and I hope that you're still doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourself and hanging in there, and I just really appreciate this card so much. I feel like I have some cards here that are open from October, and I feel like I have done them in a mail video. So I think I'm gonna end this mail video here, and we'll continue on in some future videos coming up real soon, but I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who was so kind enough to send me a Halloween hello. I'm so sorry that I'm just now opening it. I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate your time, and for those of you guys watching, thank you so much for being here with me today. If you want to follow me on social media, all my links are listed down below. I'm on Instagram, it's Halloween Happy, and I also have a Facebook page, which is Halloween Happy. We have a lot of fun over there. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to be notified. Click the notifications bell when I have a new video. New videos are coming. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!